Let's talk about design and arts. It contains creativity, idea, and photography. So, let's start! Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! And for today's video, I'll give you some tips on how to make your Instagram feed more creative and more attractive. So as you can see here, my last update is nung June 3 pa. So, I decided to make a miniature poll to update my Instagram feed. As you can see in my feed, there's a common color, and that color is yellow. You can observe it here. But the true color of those pictures in my feed is green. Green talaga siya, hindi siya yellow. I changed that green into yellow using Lightroom. So, I'll give you more examples. So, this picture, original versus the edited. Green, yellow. That's why I decided to make a miniature poll because there's a green color that we can change into yellow. But the color that you will choose for your feed is up to you naman. Sa akin kasi, yellow. I prefer that color. Sa'yo, you can change it into something that you want. And now you already know how to make your feed more attractive, and now let's make it more creative. So here's the process on how to make a miniature pool. Finally, the miniature pool is already done. So you can comment down below what miniature you want me to do next, and I'll try to make it happen. So after making a miniature pool, it's time for pictorial. We're here because this is the best place for our pictorial because there's a lot of green here that can suit for our object. So let's start. nakita nyo na yung resulta ng ating pictorial. At color green pa rin sila. So, we will change them into yellow using the Lightroom para ma-post na natin siya sa IG. So, inedit ko na kanina yung mga pictures at ni-record ko na lang. Kaya, finlash ko na lang dito para makita nyo how I adjust the color of my object. Yung color pala, depende pala sa inyo yun. Kasi akin, yung green, change ko siya into yellow. Yung sa inyo, yung green, pwede siyang i-change sa gusto nyo. Pwede siya maging black and white, ganyan. So, you can see here how to change green into yellow. So, you see how I added those pictures. So, this is the actual picture versus the edited one. So, later, ipopost ko na siya sa aking IG. So, follow me at Vic Avila sa IG para maging updated kayo in case na meron akong bagong post. I hope that this video helps you a lot to make your Instagram feed more creative and more attractive. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So, that's all everyone. See you on my next vlog.